Oh, right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fuck.
Gotta get some shots from above, Aaron. So I'm stretching that out.
Oh.
Laying right on it. Like that. So I'm just gonna go a little bit more, and then you get a have a reprieve, mate. You can kind of see how pink all that chest is, all the blood that's flushed in there. G'day guys, Ninja and Scotty here. Scotty's got a little bit of tightness through the front of his shoulder, so into the pec there and into the front of the delt. So we're gonna, feels like he's in like this, so what we're gonna try and do is do some strokes and some dynamic treatment to try and stretch that out and open it up a bit. So what I'm gonna do is use Scotty's intel. He said it feels like it's really bunching up in here, so what I'm gonna do is work a stroke out like that. So we're really opening up that chest and then the front of the shoulder. So a bit of wax on the hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start back here. So my pisiform on my hand is getting into that clavicle, the what's that? The collarbone.
That's it.
And trying to work that tissue there. So really trying to forge through there with the palm, staying nice and close and slow and working that out. So once I get to this point here, I'm going to grab his shoulder, really get into there, and then I can start to open up. Yeah, when I do that there, I can feel that restricted muscle underneath my palm there, man. So in there, just need to hold that. So now I've got to the spot where I can really feel what he was talking about, that restriction.
Yeah.
And just hold that. So if I do little wiggles, it's going to do a little bit of a flossing type of thing underneath where I'm pinning, and then start to work it out. So it feels like it is responding a little bit already. So getting right in here and working that out. So as that stretches, I can really sense where that's getting bunched up. So I can just do little movements like this to really try and enhance where I'm trying to work through, like that. So each time I pull it up a little bit, I can feel it pushing back into my hand, and the stroke is just naturally going through at the pace it needs to go to. As that tissue's melting, that my stroke just keeps on continuing. So in here like this. So this is where I feel like it's going to be really challenging for you. So in here, I can kind of do little things like that, shorten it, and then just open it like that. In there, so right up close. You come in here, Aaron, right up in there. That's where I feel like that the deltoids where they're inserting onto the bone there. I need to get into there.
Oh, whoa!
So yeah, lots of curry in there.
Oh,
so yeah, start to open that up. Yeah, just working within the boundaries that Scott's got. We don't want to feel like he's getting traumatized. So it's got to be consensual there, and it's got to feel like it's good pain. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, we want to always work together with our people. So it's teamwork. They can guide you because they're the expert on their body. They live in the temple. So, and we're just coming in as a plumber, just trying to unblock a few drains, a few pipes, and get things flowing again. So,
that's
like this.
Down. Yeah, that's getting right into it.
Yeah,
it feels. This one feels like really old.
Old pain in here.
Yeah, this feels really old.
Yeah. So just really working this spot here. Just feels like it's really important. Yeah, making sure it's just really melted down, worked out. I'm sort of getting more towards the top of that shoulder now, the point of the shoulder. So yeah, just little moves. Trying to really get that moving. Like that. So onto the point now. See that?
Oh.
So this is what it needs.
Yeah.
If it needs it, do it. Move on. Yeah, so that's feels like it's really working well.
Yeah, a few little clicks and things in there. There was one in my spine earlier as well. I feel like
Really?
yeah, letting the vertebra kind of move back into place a little bit.
Got another.
Oh, it's so floppy.
Feels good?
Yeah, it feels good. It feels so free.
Yeah. So what I might do now is like a stroke where I kind of get in here.
Yeah.
How do I do it? Yeah, like this, I think.
Oh,
so
man,
then I can use this arm.
This feels like they're coming into the right spot, but this is gonna be brutal.
It's going to be brutal. So I just really want to move over this tissue and then stretch it out at the same time.
Oh.
So we're engaging and we're not really into, this is more superficial stretch we're getting right now. So I can really feel that I'm really connected in, engaged in, and then we're going to drive right through that pec into that deltoid. So we're collecting all these insertions, points, and just really slowly holding it, pinning it, and then we can work it as we go as well. So
Oh, whoa,
like that. That's all right. You good, bro?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
You want this?
I do.
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah. You gotta want the footy. You gotta want the footy in this game.
Whoa, right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fuck.
It's like when you're doing the bodywork, you're a sculptor. You can kind of see where you need to work and how you want to balance things up. And yeah, like just knowing the way the body works and where you want to stretch it.
Yeah,
So,
that attachment there, it feels fucked. It feels like it's rolled the whole shoulder in like that.
yeah.
And where you're sitting on it, it feels like it's like holding and not wanting to let go, but it's like kind of just
Yeah.
letting it start to. It feels like it could. Oh, it feels like it needs this for a while.
Yeah. So we've just got to sit here. So a lot of times with bodywork, you're getting the ball rolling. So it's like the body wants to heal itself. The body wants to function. It doesn't want to be in a protective mode all the time. But you need to do something to get the ball rolling when you've got over scarring. You've got a protection kind of thing going on that you need to break the loop in. You need to break that cycle. So yeah, you need to get some blood flushing in. You need to let some stuff that's been stuck in there out, dead cells, calcifications. You need to break down that over scarring. And it's like when you're going through this process as well, like your body and mind are kind of getting an experience. So you know what's good, you know what's going to be beneficial in the future, and yeah, then you just got to explore the movement and let your body move around and get loaded a bit again, and know that it can heal itself up. So I'm just about through. So I'm just going to lift that up even higher, just to try and go down through there, like that. Might even be able to get some shots from above, Aaron. See how I'm stretching that out.
Oh.
Laying right on it. Like that. So I'm just going to go a little bit more, and then you have a reprieve, mate. You can kind of see how pink all that chest is, all the blood that's flushed in there.
Blood.
Like that.
Oh.
So have a bit of a move around.
Oh, shit. Oh, feels good though.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck me.
Yeah. So it's probably, because it's been old, there's connection sort of on an emotional level as well, the trauma of that being sitting in there when that happened and things. So that can bring up some of that emotion that has been stuck. Now it's free to process, understand it with a clearer mind, not as clouded by the emotions.
Oh. Clearer after.
So it's important to do the integration now. So have a hot bath, keep warm, keep rolling the shoulder around, keep moving, and give it thoughts of healing. Think of it healing itself. It's got the capacity to have the blood flow in there now where it was blocked before, and keep that rolling. So that's what the body wanted. It wants an opportunity, it wants a chance to heal itself, and often it's not doing it by itself, so you need some outside help.
Yeah.
And that's where the plumber comes in to address it for you. So yeah.
That's it. I feel it as well. It feels like there's stuff in there like that hasn't moved in a long time.
Yeah.
You can feel it, just that little bit of that opening up, just that opening up starting.
Yeah.
Feels good. Feels really good.
Yeah. So yeah, got the ball rolling. So.
Nice one. Thanks, Ninja.
Yeah, pleasure.
Bloody good.
Enjoy the new shoulder.
Cheers, man. Cheers.
Thank you.
Done.